In this Rock Like the Pros 10-day intermediate practice and technique challenge, we're going to do something that's going to be super useful to your playing. This one is the pull-off. Welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter, and congratulations for being dedicated to yourself, to the guitar, and to this challenge. I know these are hard, but they're going to make a huge difference in your playing. This one is going to be on the pull-off. We'll get to that in a second. But just because you're here, why not have a chance to win not one, but two Kala guitars that have been donated for you and this challenge? Okay? The first one's really simple. Kala has donated a mini orchestra guitar, which is really a cool guitar. And all you got to do to sign up, first of all, there's a link below. Go sign up for free. Subscribe here to my channel, Rock Like the Pros. Head on over to Kala, subscribe to their channel, and then post at least one video over on the free Rock Like the Pros forum. And then I would appreciate it if you leave some comments, smash that like button during this video. Now, I said one of two. You have two guitars because the other one is for the VIPs. Just sounds good when you say it, right? VIPs. So to sign up for the VIP, we'll put a link to that below. The VIPs are going to have a chance to win a Kala parlor guitar. These things are amazing. amazing guitars. But to become a VIP, once you sign up, you're going to get all the PDFs, you're going to get all the tabs, you're going to get all the backing tracks, you're going to get access to the private Zoom calls with me, lifetime access to all this material, and of course, the chance to win the Kala parlor guitar. So anyway, sign up below. All right. So this is going to be a really useful one. Some of you may have done pull-offs before. Some may have not. It's okay. I'm going to break it down for you right here in this video and show you exactly how to do it. All right, the pull-off. Really great technique. And then for this one, we're going to use pull-offs between the first and second finger, the first and the third finger, and the first and the fourth finger. All right, so we're going to do all of them in this particular lesson. By the way, I brought out my gold top. My 1956, this is the reissue, gold top with the P90s guitar. I'm going to do this one with a pick, alternate picking as well. And if you need anything, new guitar, picks, straps, cords, whatever you need, check out the #1 store, store.rocklikethepros.com. All right, the pull-off. Check this out. It's just right here. That's the first and the second, the first and the third, and the first and the pink. We're going to do all of them in this lesson. You with me? Here we go. Check this out. Start off with your first finger here, first string, first fret, and then add your second finger. Keep both of them down, and you're simply going to pick the string and then pull down and snap the string off the finger. So you want to clearly hear both notes. So the first note you pick and the note that you're pulling off with. This could be something that might take you a little practice, especially if it's new to you. Okay, so you're going to do that, first and second finger. Go up a string. Same thing, go up a string. Up a string. Now, you don't need to go crazy. It doesn't need to be a huge snap. It can be really light. You still want to keep it light when you're doing this. Once you get there, you're just going to go up a fret. So now you're going to be on the third fret and the second fret. Do the same thing. The trick, again, is to have both the fingers down already. Okay, don't just have one of them. All right, when you get there, you're going to go up to the third fret. When I mean third fret, I mean that's where your first finger is, and you're going to slide up. That's the fourth fret, and then the last fret for this is going to be the fifth fret, so you're going to hammer on or pull off from the 6, 5. Yeah, the hammer on's a different one, but this is the pull off. All right, we're going to do first and second fingers all the way up to the fifth fret. Then when you do it with the backing track, you're going to hear 4 clicks. We're going to go back to the beginning again, and this time we're going to do it with the first finger and the third finger. The technique is exactly the same. When you do it with the third finger, it's just getting used to doing the third finger. Now, I would imagine this might be the easiest because usually the first and our third fingers are our strongest fingers here on the guitar. So again, just going to start here on the first string, pull off, next string up. and then slide up, go down, up and down, and all the way to the 5th fret. Then when we do with the backtrack, you're going to hear 4 clicks. You're going to go back. You're going to be right here with the pinky and the first finger. Now you're going to do this one. This one might feel the most awkward because it's our pinky, and it's the one that most of us, including myself, need the most help on to build up the strength and the dexterity of, but it's a really great one, and you're just going to do the same thing. Starting in the first string, work your way up, 2nd fret, all the way back to the 5th fret. Okay, so we're going to do all 3 right now with the backtrack, okay? We're going to start off with the 1st and 2nd finger, then the 1st and the 3rd finger, and the 1st and the pinky finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you do on that? Leave a comment below 1 to 5 on your progress. Now, I tried to do alternate picking a whole time. Sometimes I flipped it a little bit, but that's okay. It's really about the left hand and getting these pull-offs to sound good. All right, that was a medium backtrack. That was 120. You could do it a little slower. You could do it faster. Don't forget the VIPs. Not only get all those backtracks and the tab, but also a chance to win that call-up parlor guitar. You can still sign up for that VIP below. All right, don't forget, I want you also to post a video of yourself doing this exercise over at the free Rock Like the Pros forum. Go be a part of the community, watch other people's videos, and comment, like, and stuff, and really be a part of the community. That's how you're going to grow as a player as well. So great job. I know this is challenging. This is techniques that you're going to continue to build on even after this video. You're going to continue to get better and better at the pull-offs. If you like this stuff, after this challenge, we're going to do an advanced technique workshop, which will be a live training with me and some special guests. We'll put a link below if you want to go and sign up for that right now. So great job. Stick with this. Do not quit. We got more videos, more lessons in this challenge.